Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this new video, I am going to show you how to make a fly menu like this. So when I click on this menu icon, it will show the options like calling, settings, home, location. When I again click on this, it will close. When I again click, it will open, open, close. So to make this fly menu, we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So come to our VS Code. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. It motivates me more to make these videos. So here in our HTML file, I have taken the basic structure of HTML, and then here I have taken the link of font awesome. In previous video I have shown you this font awesome CSS link from font awesome website. You can copy the link of the CSS of font awesome to use its icons so and fonts. So here we have linked our CSS file. Here is our CSS file. So then I have taken the title fly menu. Then in body tag I have taken a div with class content, and ID also I have taken content. Then in this div I have taken another div with class menu icon and ID icon menu. Then I have taken three span tag with three different ID as on 2, 3, 4, the 3 lines menu. For that, then after that we have taken another div with class basic menu. In this I have taken another div with class icon and one. Here I have taken two tags, icon and one, and ID I have taken one, and then I have taken a class solid gear. So for the setting we have taken this icon. Then for phone call we have taken another icon for home, and then for location you can see here for home, phone, this for setting and location. So then in this I've changed the class like that in another div 2, 3, 4, similarly for ID also. So after doing this, later we'll come to our script tag. So now we'll go for CSS. Here I've taken for our whole web page margin and will be 0. Then I have taken the font family sans serif. Then in body tag I have taken background color code. Here you can see the background color code. Then I have taken height 100 VH, and then I have taken display flex, and align item should be center, and justify content should be center. So here in our content class, here is our content class. So in that I have taken width 65 pixel and height also 65 pixel. Then Here I have taken background color code of content. This color RGB can change to hexa by clicking here. So then I have taken the border radius 50% and position relative and transition 0.2 second, and it should be linear. So here content after click, when user after click content, I have taken a background color. So here in our menu icon class, I'll show you here menu icon class. In this I have taken width 30 pixel, height 32 pixel, position absolute, and from left 50%, from top 50%, and transform translate -50% and -50% from horizontal and vertical. Then display I have taken flex and align item center, and justify content I have taken center, and flex wrap should be wrap, and cursor should be pointer. So now in a span tags, in this class menu icon I have taken 3 span tag. So now we are going to style our span tag. In this I have taken the width 30 pixel, height 4 pixel, and a background color white, and border radius 5 pixel, and transition 0.3 second, and it should be linear. So here now for the span, after T I will click, display should be none. So see, I'll show you here. When here is the 3 lines, 1 2 3. When I click on this, the 3 lines, from them 1 line gone. Here we have 2 lines only, cross 2 lines, 1 line, it display none, means it display 1 line should hidden. Then for the second line, 2 lines remaining, we have taken transform translate y from y direction 8 pixel, and it rotated 45 degree. Then translate y -8 pixel and rotate 45 degree. So here it's rotated 45 degree like this. You can see the changes, 1 line hidden and 2 lines got 45 degree crossing each other. Then for the basic menu, here this class we have taken width 65 pixel and height 65 pixel. Then display I have taken flex, and align item should be center, and justify content also should be center to make in center. Position relative z index -10, and transition 0.3 second linear. Then I have taken basic menu, after click its z index will be 10. Then after that for icon tag, here you can see our icon class. So here in our icon class I have taken position absolute, and width 64 pixel, and height 64 pixel, and border radius 50%, and this background color. So then z index I have taken -5, transition 0.3 second linear, and color white, and display should be flex. Then I have taken align item center, justify content center, font size 23 pixel, and cursor pointer. Now come to our class 1. Here is our class 1. So for that, its top should be 0, and transition delay 0 second. Then for the second I have taken the transition delay 0.5, and then left 0, then 4 3 4, this 3 4 I can show you here. This all this icon I have taken, it will show one after another with this time delay. First one, it will show 0 second delay, then 0.05, then 0.15, then 0.2 second. So it will show, see, when I click first one after one, it will come out. So then after that I have taken the one menu. After click, it should be top 80 pixel, and for the this second icon it should be 80 pixel left, and for third one I've taken bottom 80 pixel, and for the fourth icon I've taken right 80 pixel. So it's showing in different direction. So now come to our JS file. For that we are using script tag. In this I have taken these variables. So first we'll select one by one. First icon menu with id icon menu. Here icon menu id we have selected, then so s1 id, s2, s3 we have selected, then we have made one more variable container, then we have selected the id content. Here you can see the id content. Then I've taken 1 2 3 4 these IDs. You can see here these IDs. We have selected these IDs through these variables. Then we have taken icon menu. Here I have taken icon menu. When we click on that, what should it will work when a user click on that? For that we are writing a function that is span1 dot class list dot toggle span1 after click. So here I have taken, I'll show you. See, span 1 after click, span 2 after click, and span 3 after click. So here these three things will appear when a user click. So when a user click, it should do 8 pixel 45 degree it will rotate. So for that, when a user click on that, these three things will be happen, and this calling from these three things 1 2 3. So like that, then content after click, when content after click. So here is the content after click. The background should be this when a person or user click on that. So then for 1 2 and 3 4 and these icons, when a user click on this, here we are calling our classes. So here I'll show you. Here these three things, when a user click, these things will be happen to top 80 pixel, left 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and right 80 pixel. So it will appear when a user click on that. So like that we can call our IDs and class when you can set the events and get our different inputs. So like that we can make our fly menu like this. We can adjust it to anywhere in this web page. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with an amazing project.